this. Oh, can I just wear this on my chest like as an accessory or something? Like this would be so nice. Like, hey sis, welcome to my channel, Visualist Beauty, your go-to space for makeup, hair, perfume, and beauty gems that will keep you looking elevated without overspending. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Carolina Herrera La Bomba perfume. If you're interested in a honest perfume review on a darker, deeper skin tone, a first impression unboxing, and a real verdict, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a thing again. Alright sis, let's get right into it. I believe it was Mother's Day last month, May. I actually got this from Carolina Herrera. This is La Bomba gift set, and I got this from Mother's Day, and I'm just getting to opening it. It has the perfume, the 80 ml, the mini size 10 ml, and a body lotion right here. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open it up. Okay, we're gonna open it up together. There it is. Let's see. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. Yeah. And this is the body lotion. And this is the little size. I love the color. It kind of actually matches my vibe, which I like. This is actually my first Carolina Herrera fragrance, and I'm so happy it's this beauty right here, and I'm happy that I'm able to add it to my collection. I'm happy it matches my makeup and my outfit. Like, it's just meant to be today to unbox this. It's so perfect. What? It even matches my eyes, bro. Like, this is how I don't need to say too much. Can we talk about the bottle and how beautiful this bottle is? What? This is one bottle you want standing in your shelf for everybody to see how beautiful and gorgeous. You just even want to have it like a decor in your house. Like, just put it in one section. Even if the juice is done or not, you're just gonna keep it right there, looking flat and beautiful as some ornaments on your table, you know? I have sniffed this before at Sephora. When I did, I sniffed it with other fragrances, like other designer fragrances, and I did like it. It did leave scent trail, a long-lasting scent, but I'll put it on the screen right here how long it did last me for the day. Do you know when you go to the mall and spray multiple perfume and you keep going back to that one spray, that one sniff that is so unique, and you're like, oh yeah, that's different. Oh yeah, that smells good. This is it right here. This is it. And I just had to add it to my to buy list, and I'm glad I got this, and I'm ready to add this to my collection. But anyway, let's spray this on and see what is. Oh, it smells good. Yes. Ooh. Oh, and it's heavy. I just dropped it and I just see how heavy it is. Guessing it's that dragon fruit that gives it that unique sniff that makes you want to come back and sniff it, like, or make people want to stop you on the road and be like, what is that? Where you get it? Paired with that luxurious, elegant, designer fragrance, fruity floral vibe. It does have a unique scent, like its own unique, exotic, tropical, fruity bubble scent. She is very grown lady, girly, feminine fragrance. The lotion does have that, again, dragon fruit. That dragon fruitness is so unique and so beautiful. Oh yeah, that smells very dragon fruity, and it's like that juicy fruit that you want to, very citrus and juicy fruit that you just want to. So for the top notes, right, we have pitaya, also known as dragon fruit, second note we had frangipani and red peony, and for the base note we have vanilla and patchouli. This one is an absolute yes for me. If you like girly, fruity, more on the dragon fruit side, very unique, fruity, floral, it would definitely drive attention if that's what you like. It's a showstopper. She's sweet, she's fruity, she's a little bit floral, a little bit musky at the end in the dry down, and fun. Yes, this one is I'm happy to add to my collection type of thing. It's very feminine and cutesy. Have you tried this? I think she'd be really good layered. Have you guys layered it? If you have this in your collection, what's your best layering combo with this? Because I think she'll really go well with some other fragrances as well. Just so you know, this was released last year, and this year 2026 they did release a new sister intense version of this, which I cannot wait to try and come and show you guys and talk to you about to see how that I can't even wait to go to Shoppers, my beauty store, and go try that one out, because I just literally found out that this has an intense version. Okay, yeah, add to cart. You're welcome. Thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button and follow your girl for more beauty, makeup, fragrance, hair videos coming your way that I drop every week. Stay tuned for that. And yes, I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, and you can save this video for later or share it with your loved ones as well. Thank you very much. I would really appreciate that. Engage in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now. What did you guys say about the smell?
Mom? It smells really good.
Yeah?
Mom? Mommy?
What does it smell?
It smells like cotton candy.
Cotton candy? No, it does. It smells fruity.
Grape flavor?
Grape flavor? That's a good idea. You think it smells like grape?
What about strawberry?
Strawberry is close. That's a good one.
Then
yeah.
watermelon.
Watermelon.
Now cheeseburger.
Bro, really? It doesn't smell like cheeseburger. That's silly.
Chicken nugget.
You want chicken nugget to eat? You're hungry? You hungry?
Mom, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done?
Yep.
Okay.